This is regarding Unit 6 from the subject Digital and Social Media Marketing. So title of the unit is Social Media Channels and Social Media Strategy. So here we are going to discuss about the topics related to the two aspects, that is social media channels and social media strategies. So let us see what are the concepts this unit covers. So social media channels, under this we have to discuss about its introduction, key terms and concepts, traditional media versus social media, then social media channels, so social media networking, so content creation, bookmarking and aggregating, and location and social media, tracking social media campaigns, so social media marketing, then rules of engagement, then advantages and challenges. So these are the concepts related to the social media we are going to learn under this unit. And as a second part, social media strategy, here also we have to learn some of the topics related it's as introduction, key terms and concepts which we use under social media strategy, then using social media to solve business challenges, then step-by-step guide to create a social media strategy, then documents and processes have to be taken care, then dealing with opportunities and some of the threats, step-by-step unit for recovering from an online brand attack, then finally as social media risks and challenges. So these many topics we are going to learn under this. For this class, we will be seeing only the introduction about the social media and its channels, like key terms and some of the concepts, what it comes under this, then traditional media versus social media. Only this three topics we are going to cover for this class. So first, let us see this what is social media channels and its meaning and some introduction to this concept. So social media, as we know, it is an internet-based form of communication. So here, social media platforms allows users to have conversations, share information, and create web content. So this is the purely it is a web-based or maybe it is an internet-based platform where people can share their information. Either they can conversation they can have, or they can share the information and create a web content. So there are many forms of social media, including blogs, microblogs, wikis, social networking sites, photo sharing sites, instant messaging, video sharing sites, podcast, widgets, virtual worlds, and many more. So these are some of the types we'll be having. There are so many or vast opportunities are there to share the what information under this social media. So one more meaning, like social media refers to online communication channels wherein users create and share content. So here content in the sense there the matter or maybe what they would like to share in the thing. It may be related to any job vacancy informations, or maybe related to some company products, or any of the aspect in the form of content they can share and interact with each other in many different ways. So there is an interaction in the form of either they can have a live board chat, or maybe they can also give some feedbacks or maybe comments based on the options which had been provided. So these social media channels provide easily accessible and easily usable platforms. Like here platforms, social media, it is a concept. Under that there are so many options are there. So what are the channels you are going to use, or maybe where you would like to give your informations in the form of either Facebook, Twitter, all this, the ways what you choose here. So with this, people can now share their informations or opinions on everything to a large number of people much more easily. So this is how they can openly share here information with the lots of this kind of usage of the platforms they can accessible. Next, it is social media refers here, one more simple meaning here, the interaction among people in which they create, share, add or exchange information and ideas in a virtual communities. Virtual in the sense there is no this one face to face, but still it is people are committed or maybe they are connected with the wherever they are. So that is based on the network. So social media is not it is a media, but platforms. So it is, we cannot say that it is a purely a media it is, but it is a platform for interacting and networking. So where people can use these kind of platforms either in the form of Facebook, Twitters, or LinkedIn. There are so many options are there, so they can have an interaction and networking. It is the collective of online communication channels dedicated to community-based input. So here they are dedicating it to the community-based, in the sense people can share here their information. So it is a individual, if they, for example, if as a Facebook or Twitter or Instagram or all these will be having a platforms here, we will be having our individual account under this. So we can have a community with our friends or maybe relatives, everything. We can have an interaction or links or whatever the message you would like to send to a particular group of people. So you'll be acting here as a community based input. So you are sending, if you would like to send some information about job vacancy, you can put that information in the website, or maybe particular this Facebook or maybe a Instagram, Twitter, all this, so that people can have a look, or they can utilize the what benefit of that particular information or the advertisements. So you can also share here content sharing. So that's what content sharing can also be possible. Then collaboration, it consists of the tools, services, and communication, facilitating connection among people with common interest. So people will be having your common interest. Like Facebook, you can see people will be having with the common interest, they will be joining to the Facebook, because they will be getting their friends or relatives, or maybe they will get some information about the job. All this with the intention, they will be going to uh, create an account in the Facebook or maybe either Twitter, all this. So it is the use of web-based. So we can use here the web-based and the mobile technology. So you can also, nowadays you can also access to the mobiles, no need of the laptops or systems only. You have to access this with the click of button in your mobile. You can have access all these technologies. So this is the, and you can have a what interactive dialogues or communication with the people, with your friends. You can chat in that as a Facebook or maybe the WhatsApp. All this, that will be a platforms, it will be available. So social media includes social networking and professional networking sites. So social media, it is includes social networking in the form of all this, already given the example like the WhatsApp, so Facebook, Twitter, and the professional networking sites, it is maybe a LinkedIn you can take as an example. So that will give a job related information. That is also one of the part which comes under the social media. So that is how professional networking sites in the form of LinkedIn will be having an impact over these kind of platforms. Next, as an introduction, one more part here, we can see as a knowledge with the 4 P's and 1 T of social media. There are 4 P's, so which and all: personal site, platform, post, and profile, and T represents here tweet. So what and all it indicates, you'll see in brief. Personal site, it is a profile created on a social media platform. Like you will be having now your WhatsApp account or maybe your Facebook account, Twitter account, so or LinkedIn account. So all this, it is a personal site you are taking to create your profile here in the form of the use and to share personal communication with the friends and your acquaintance. So this is a personal site you will be choosing in the form of which maybe you feel to interact more. Platforms here, again platforms here nothing but as a Facebook, Twitter, it's as an example here, you can share your content whatever you want. You can wish your birthday wishes or maybe anniversary wishes or maybe any professional messages also you can share by using this information. So that is how the platform which you use. A platform mainly here with the Twitter and Facebook they have given as a examples. Now content, so as a post here, third P which represents as a post. So content a person shares, like what the content, what is the information he would like to share or publicize in the particular uh, platform, that it acts as a post. The post what you give, you might have seen in a Facebook or maybe when you open it, it will ask any post that you would like to post today. So all this, it is a information what it is you are going to post. And profile, like information provided about the person. Now you'll be having your respective profiles in the Facebook or maybe the WhatsApp, there you will be giving your what slip pic or a DP, or maybe you'll be giving some basic information about yours. So all this will represent your profile. So how it has been updated, everything. Then it comes as a tweet. So T represents here tweet. Tweet is nothing but a content of person shares on a Twitter or the act of publishing the content on the site. So what the information will be going to tweet, or you make people know about your information. So that is the T it represents. So there are 4 P's and 1 T of social media. So personal site, platform, post, then profile, then T represents here tweet. So this is the introduction and meaning about the social media channels. So with its introduction as well as meaning as a basic concept. Now next as a key terms and concepts here. So some of the key terms which comes under the social media. Now first as a blog. So blog is a type of website that allows users or a bloggers to post entries on different topics and often allows readers to comment on these posts. So this is a blog what you create in the website. So it is a type of website itself, so that you can put so many your information, any information related to your content, so that people can put a comment. Like if you have some recipe or a recipe of any food, if you upload in a particular website, so people will be having their positive or a negative comment. They might be what giving some information about, like they might like your, or maybe if they liked it really, they will be what giving some positive comments about your blogs. So here an example here I have taken as an image example for a blog. See here about related to your food. Here our best 5 ingredient recipe to make for a dinner, or cutest food that a dog toys you can buy on Amazon, like that. Anything you can put based on a information which will be having the implication, and you will be going to put a comment. So that is what called as a blog here. So there is a first as a website where you can post your comments. Then blogosphere, so it is the world of blogs, bloggers and blog posts. So blogosphere as a one more term or a concept which comes under the social media. It is nothing but a world of your blogs, that is the informations, then bloggers, those who are using this, and a blog post what you make people to see. Then bookmarking as a thing, so it is a saving the web addresses of a web page. This we also use to do in our what computer or maybe laptop screen. There is a bookmark, so the bookmark we will be going to enter, so that whenever you access or open your particular website, you will be quickly going to access. Otherwise what happens, every time you have to log in all this. So you can, if you save your password or maybe save the particular website by bookmarking it, so it is easier for the next time when you access. So as a one example here, bookmark. So this is a link, like how you are going to save. Like see here, it can be visible in the example, like now Twitter account, or maybe Bigo, or maybe site you like, or a delicious, all these the some of the links what you have opened, that you can keep it as a bookmark in the particular your screen, or maybe you can keep it as a bookmark activity, so that whenever you can directly click over the particular link, it will be directly opening. So you need not search in a Google all this again and again. You can directly click on the bookmark information what you have done in your laptops or maybe in your system. So that is what a bookmark activity what it can be done. And crowdsourcing, so crowdsourcing, it is nothing but you are giving you are what welcoming some of the creative or innovation, or maybe some of the skill or a talent or ideas what the broader community is having. So that is how you are giving opportunity to the people here. They can come up with some of the information, so that it will be accessible, or maybe it is a harnessing the skills, talents and ideas of a broader community. You are giving or providing an opportunity to the people to share their informations in the form of their talents, skills, everything they can share. Either they can upload a video there, or maybe they can upload there some of the images, drawings, all this. That will together it will be called as a crowdsourcing, the power of the people, or maybe their creativity of a public. Here it will be called as a crowdsourcing. Now chicklets as a next one. So chicklets, it is a small icon. So icon adjacent to the blog post. So it is in the form of, you can see with the example here. What is chiclet? Chiclets, it is nothing but icons. So icons what you are keeping as a now Twitter, if you see that with the symbol of that bird, it will be identifiable. YouTube, or maybe your network with signs. So all this it will be giving some of the like Facebook, it will be visible. So this is some chiclets, or maybe the icons, it can be kept as a thing. So there is what one more term or a concept which comes under the social media. So that is the one Then it comes as a flog. So flog, it is nothing but a fake blog is known as a flog. So it's a flog we have seen, like blogs. Blogs, it is the information what you send. Flog, it is a fake information in a particular website. So sometimes you will get simply the mail or all this. So that will be creating here some kind of fake informations also. So floxonomy, it is a categorization of taxonomy based on the social media tags. So how floxonomy? So it is an example here. Now floxonomy, like a tax, they are going to like best price, bonus, sales, new. So all this, it will be based on a categorization wise, based on they are going to give some grades to that. That is in the form of tax. So that is what it called as taxonomy. Then permalink. So permalink, it is a URL, or maybe they will be going to it is in the form of some links they are going to create, so that it will be it is based on a particular what website or a social media what they use, particularly some of the URLs or maybe the links that can be accessible. That is what called as permalinks here. So next as ping. So ping, as a you might be knowing, ping, it is in a sense, so it is a how much you are like receive, or maybe whether the internet when you access, if your internet is not connecting, so you'll be going to check the pings, or maybe whether it is receiving, or whether there is a reply from the internet. All this it will be to check here. So this is what the ping will be. One more word it will be comes under ping. So it is the like utility that verifies the link or a connection of the internet, whether your internet connection is proper or not. That is based on a ping, it can be accessible. Then social networks, in this online sense, this refers to the type of website model that individual members become a part of the broader virtual community. So based on a networking here, so they will be going to a social networking. So that is based on this community will be come under this as a virtual community. Tags are like social media tags indicates the label that content is about. Then taxonomy, it is again the classification and division of the order. Like taxonomy, it is nothing but classification, or based on your content how it will be going to set, or maybe it will come according to the categorized wise. So trackbacks, so this is again trackbacks is a kind of what the information what it comes in the form of, it is the analytics, or maybe some statistical data what it shows in your system, how many people have accessed, or data of the activities, how much it has been for the day. All this it is in the form of numbers, it will be showing. This is a one example I have collected based on the Google Analytics. Like trackbacks, they will be going to see how much it has been come as under the activity wise. So this is the one more. And finally, as vlogs. So vlogs, it's nothing but a video based blog, so also called as a video blog. So wiki, a small website that can be edited in real time by the number of users. So they can go with the this wiki as a one of the again platforms which will be used here. So this is about the key terms and condition. Next topic, that is traditional media versus social media. We know that traditional media refers to the form of mass media that focuses on delivering news to the general public, to a targeted group of a public. So traditional form of media includes print publications, all those we know already. Like traditionally how people use the information to be spread, that is based on a newspapers, maybe the magazines, all this television, radio will be taking the lead. But nowadays social media, it is a lots of these to describe variety of different digital platforms we'll be using, like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, LinkedIn, etc. So this is the as a meaning wise we can divide. Now basis here to divide, like creation and dissemination of a content. So how you can create a content and dissemination of a content. Newspaper, how this will be created and how it will be created in the website, that have a different here. And dissemination wise also, dissemination means spreading the information to the public also, it will be taking time, or maybe how they are going to spread the information. So how it differs from the social media and traditional media, we know this already. How it is a, we can call it as a, it is a principle of one to many, and it is a principle of many to many, because in a newspaper only limited you can go through, but social media once you put, millions of people can get it at once. So focus or purpose here, social media name suggests the media where people come to interact with friends, all this. But traditional media primarily a news media, so there it is only the news will be given primary importance. But in a social media, all this relationship, friends, families, everything will be given importance. Then interactivity wise, social media allows users to comment on content created by their friends. So you can comment it, you can watch their what all these photos, everything. But in a traditional media, it is a controlled one, and it is the whatever it is published, it is for that day. It will be going to end. You cannot go with again and again to update. But in a interactivity wise, it is people can give a comment, people can share their views, everything under it can be possible. Convergence, it is a kind of union or maybe the mixture of many things. So in the social media, you can use text, audios, videos, graphics, photographs, all this. But in a traditional media, you cannot. You can work only based on the printed one format, that is in either television or maybe either newspaper you have to use. But in a here it is a convergence or a mixture of all the things you can use. Even video or graphics also can be shared. Next as speed. Now speed wise, we know that which is the instant. Now maybe it will be spreading disseminative information will be doesn't take much time. You can access it what quickly. And but in a traditional media takes time to disseminate the information. We know that to give a newspaper to spread it, all this it will take time. Cost of creation also, here's a small fortune to set about a newspaper, radio, television. So based on a thing, it is not of much costlier. But in a social media platform allows free posting of content. So compared to this, social media will be a little bit free of cost, or maybe you can use take advantage of this kind of internet facilities. Reach and number wise also, social media will be staggering, or maybe it is very astonishing or overwhelming response, or maybe at the time you can give. It's a really shocking that we will be going to give information to many at a time. So, but in a contrast, traditional media is limited to the numbers. And finally, for this class, it is just I have put here for another way of differentiating the things. You can write any of the answers, either maybe that also or maybe this. But this is from some of the materials I have received related to the particular concept. Now here also fixed and unchangeable. It is a instantly updatable. In a newspaper, we cannot go for editing, but here instant update can be done. Commentary limited and commentary limited and not real time, but it is unlimited real time commentary. You can access or you can give your update information there also. So limited time delayed bestsellers list. So instant popularity gauge. So it is a instant, or maybe you can give the information quickly. It can be seen by many people, and popularity wise, people will be going to see that which websites may be better to share the information. Archives purely accessible, but here archives accessible. You can access your some of the information, or you can store some of the information. Archives in the sense some data which you have stored already, you can access in the social media. But in a traditional media, it is not possible, because it is if the newspaper, if you have missed that newspaper, it is again difficult to search it. Then limited media mix will be used here. All media can be mixed, like you can go with any type of technology. Based on that, you can use any medias here. So committee wise, it is publishers. So here individual publishers can have their views. You can create your own account and you can put some information, but it's not possible in a traditional media. Then it is a finite, it is a infinite. So here some restricted information will be put, but under the social media, there's a infinite. You will be having many sources, or you can put as much as information as you want. And sharing not encouraged. So here sharing and participation is encouraged. So only there in a traditional media, printed forms will be given importance, but here sharing and participation will be encouraged with the public comment. All this it can be taken. Then finally, as control and freedom. So it is traditional media will be controlled under some publishers, but here social media, it is freedom you will be having here to put your messages. In case if you feel it can be deleted. So all this the in what facilities or maybe opportunities are there. So this is about the difference between this traditional media and social media. So this is what the topics for this class, as social media channels, its introduction, then introduction and key terms and concepts.